He doesn't make any sense. So if that's any indication as to what's gonna go on in this video, I hope you guys are ready for insanity. So we had someone, his name was Anthony, he came into the Braille house while Fetty and I were filming Persistence for Braille Army the other day. And he was like, hey, I've been talking to Carlos about this car chair that I converted into a skateboard with wheels on the bottom. I'm here to drop it off. Whoa, my voice cracked. He brought it out of his truck. Literally, it's a 1990s GMC or Ford. So this is a where's the... Well, anyways, what he dropped off is a 1990s GMC recliner chair in a truck. It was from a truck that he took out and turned into a skateboard for us, Nigel. How do you feel about that?
Fantastic. Sounds comfortable.
Yeah, so it fully reclines.
Can we skate PewDiePie's chair?
Can we skate PewDiePie's chair? I'm down. Would you guys like to see it? Leave it in the comment below. So, without my permission, Fetty and Uzi were already riding around on it, and they freaking broke it already. So now Fetty's over there making some repairs, so let's go check in on him.
Have they been trying to get this scooter down this whole time? I told him how to get it, and he doesn't want to listen.
No, just let them be.
I like going under ladders so I can get bad luck.
So why don't you smash a mirror while you're at it?
All right, Fetty, what's going on here?
I'm putting all trucks on.
So we had the swivel part set up. It's a little too uncontrollable. If we put all trucks normal on it, then it just aims one direction. We can take it down ramps, we can bungee it, we can do all this stuff, you know?
How in the world?
Complicated this chair is. Yeah. Nailed it.
Here, get these ones.
Bada boom. Yee, and I cannot emphasize this enough.
It's always yee-haw, but not ha-yee.
They always tell you yee-haw, but they never ask you yah-hee.
What?
Oh no, just cut that out. How do you guys like the non-screaming version of Gabe Cruz? Leave a comment below. I generally have a lot of excitement for my friends that do cool things. You know, I have to kind of hold it back to make you guys happy, which is fine. It's fine, but you know, a lot of times people land tricks. Get two of the same tricks.
Why? It's a chair. You're not gonna roll up to the park and someone's gonna say, wow, look, you don't have matching trucks on your reclining vehicle chair.
Gabe's other part-time job is a stripper.
I see what you did there. That was good. That was nice. You know, these trucks are never coming off.
Smash like if we should get a trebuchet.
Can we put you in it?
Yeah.
Where's the screwdriver at, man?
Dude, we should go to a LARPing event. Go up to everyone at a LARPing event and just say, did somebody steal your sweet roll?
Dude, what are you talking about?
There's LARPing events where people dress up as like medieval.
Did you ever watch Fantasy Factory? He did all this.
We just copy him.
All right, Fetty,
What's up?
the chair is complete.
The chair is a tank.
Are you ready?
It's a tank.
I ain't never seen a skateboard like this before.
You're gonna break my basketball hoop before you break that chair.
I know, this is a tank, yo.
Oh no. I feel relatively safe in this thing. Do exactly what you guys have been doing for the last 20 minutes before we started filming this video. Already?
Captain Morgan.
We found a new beacon for the demons.
What is it called? Like, it's like a channel or something?
I don't know.
There's a word for it. Like, not an idol. No. What is the word for it? Boy, you done lost your marbles.
Look at how dirty you got in the last 20 seconds.
Yeah, he's going downhill fast.
Yes, dude, yes.
Alright, now the moment I've been waiting for my entire life. That's not the speedway. One man, one chair and a ramp and another. That's a lot harder than it looks. This side is all like.
I think it's caving in.
Chariot awaits.
One more.
Uzi, don't feel reclined to do this.
Wait, hold up. Let me explain something. Like a month ago, I was like, I wish we had a chair on wheels. So I got hit a ramp sitting on it, and then
Here we are.
the time has come. All right. Not lined up. Oh, try again.
Who's dropping in on the mini ramp?
All right, I'm holding on this time. You keep making me go off the left.
It counts. This way.
So how exactly are you gonna do this?
I don't know.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hey, let me film it.
Nigel?
Are you gonna die or what? You're gonna die.
Good luck, brother. That went extremely well.
Yeah.
Why'd you say that so weird?
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Some separation here.
All right, Uzi, you take it up. You take it down the 4-foot side.
Heck no, I'm not gonna die yet. Wait.
I'm gonna catch you if you
No,
fall.
you're trying to push me. Phalanges all busted up.
You should do your standing up drop in.
Heck no.
No.
50-50.
Oh.
I think it won't be that bad. Look at that, you could
As
do it.
ideas go, this isn't the worst idea you've ever had.
Here, just grind right on the motor.
Let's give it a shot. Nailed it?
No, it doesn't count.
Why?
Yeah, you can't put your legs down.
I got long
obviously.
legs.
You gotta keep your legs up and then Fetty's gonna push you. That's how it'll work out.
It's a lot harder than you think.
Runs really well. No,
I
dude,
know.
He's got to push you.
You try it.
I'm confused. I don't even know how you make it there.
You just gotta push with your foot.
Well, I went for it. It's so hard to steer.
You had your back truck on.
This is exactly like the Drift Trikes. It's like a drift chair.
What is it? An ejector seat? Is that what you got?
Ow! I just don't, there's such a big chair in the way, I don't even know what's happening.
I think you gotta put the front down, so you got better something.
Why is he so good at it?
Been riding chairs like this his whole life.
He's got to do it without his feet on the ground.
Yeah,
You can't do it with your feet on the ground the entire time.
Scary without your feet.
I was trying to full send.
You got this.
Oh, I think I had it.
You should give him like a little push at the end.
It's so hard to get aimed.
I would like you to take it down the cliffhanger.
A rocking chair to fakie.
That was so sick.
I'm gonna hit it all the way down to 3 at some point.
Can I try to make it do a backflip?
Full send, Uzi, you got this.
Oh, the step up's right there.
I want you to keep your feet up.
I will.
He's gotta go faster. Definitely gotta go faster. Please let Fetty push you.
Why haven't we skated a luge board?
Don't do it, get away. I'm gonna get the roll up here, like this.
It's literally like a grandpa chair skateboard.
Just full send!
I will right here.
You missed it.
No, I saw it.
My kneecaps are blown out.
Fetty, shall we try the bungee?
Yeah?
Uzi, would you try the bungee?
That's scary. I'll do the 3.
All right, you want to go down to 3?
I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm getting to safety.
Is there any last words you have?
I don't know.
You're gonna ollie it or just sit down?
Ollie it.
Wow.
Most stairs jumped on a chair. Guinness Book of World Records, come meet us here and verify this record. Don't let these thoughts clog your mind.
Look at the technique. It's like a Mario board.
Are you gonna do the 5?
Yeah.
Man.
Imagine when we get our new skate park and you guys might have to try weird boards down a 3 block. Good luck.
You know, this very well could be the sickest thing ever done down the 5.
You better be careful for your knees. I feel bad for you.
What do you think is gonna happen?
Either the chair's gonna break or he's gonna break. One of the two.
Good hypothesis. Full send? Are you okay?
It was so impressive, but at the same time, it was just so
Yeah, it was the most impressive dumb
Such
thing.
a chair. No, but just your pose.
Yeah, your pose like.
Can we go show Nigel? Can we please
Yeah,
go
we
show
have to.
Nigel?
You have to like hold on to like the bars under the headrest. And like you have to just like pull first and then jump with your knees and then push.
Come feast your eyes.
I can't with you right now.
But anyways, Fetty and I have one more thing we want to see before we end this video, so let's get it.
Oh, I see.
Add this to the compilation. If it falls over, then, you know. Fool ollied that. Oh, sick. And it's perfectly okay. I mean, I guess it makes sense, because if like someone's ever in a car accident, the seat should survive. So, good to know.
There's no damage.
Fetty, that ollie down the 5-star is one of the most legendary things you've ever done.
Thank you.
That was amazing. To my left, there will be videos and playlists that you guys will enjoy, so check those out. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you in tomorrow's video at 10 a.m. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs.